Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be making this simple backless halter neck flared gown. For this tutorial, I'll be making use of 2 yards Ankara fabric. If you are on a big size, you can make use of 3 yards or 2.5 depending on your size. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to start, I'm going to throw my Ankara. I'm going to throw it in a flare form, like when you want to make a flared gown, just like you throw that normal circular flare, just as you see me doing, to give you like, it will form like a shape. Just what I am doing, you throw it that way. If you're on a big size, you can make use of the widest part of your Ankara. You can make use of the widest part of the Ankara to give you a bigger flare. So but for me, I'm on the average size, so I'm just using the normal part. So I'm just going to throw my flare. As you can see, I'm done throwing my flare. I already have it in two. You just have to fold it in two. You don't need to fold it in four. Just in two to cut the front. So this is me just trying to show you again how to throw your flare. Just like this. Just trying to show you again how to throw the flare. So after I was done, I'm just going to mark my shoulder divided by 2. My shoulder is 14 divided by 2 will give me 7. And I'm going to add 1 inch allowance for the folding. I'm going to add 1 inch allowance. So I'm just going to mark this side. I'm going to mark it. And I'm going to use my ruler to just straighten out the line as you see me doing. I'm just going to straighten out the line. And I'm going to go up on that line. I'm going to go up by 1 inch, just 1 inch. That's going to serve as my folding allowance that I'm going to, where you're going to pass your rope. So that is going to serve as a folding allowance, because if you take from the actual one you already have before, it will lower the neck part more. So that was just my rope allowance. And now I'm going to go up by 3 inches because I don't want it to be high on my neck. So I'm going to go up here by 3 inches, and I'm going to mark the length of my gown. So I will go up by 3 inches and mark the length of my gown. So here I use 35 for the gown length. So I'm going to take that all around the fabric. I'm going to take it around while placing my 3 inches on that second line, as you can see. So I'm going to move it bit by bit and mark it all around with my 35 inches. So it will give me the proper flared uh, feel. So that is, I'm just going to mark it around. Keep marking. You move it bit by bit so you can get your circular shape. Then you mark all around. After doing that, I'm just going to use my chalk just to trace out the lines properly, make it bold so I can see what to cut. I'm just going to trace out the line. Sorry that you can't see this part. The chalk is very faint, but I only traced out the line that I cut, and I'm just going to cut it out. So now we're going to determine the depth of the back, how wide, how deep you want it to open. For my own, for this one, I used 14 inches. I don't want it to be too low, so I use 14 inches. So while placing your 3 inches on that initial line, you keep marking your 14 inches all around. You mark it on the front and then you transfer it to the back. So this is just to serve as a guide. So you mark it all around. After I was done doing that, I am just going to throw the back flare also the way I did with the front, and I'm going to place the front on the back. After placing the back, I'm just going to trace out that measurement from the front. I'm going to trace it to the back, and I'm just going to cut it out after tracing. So I'm going to find the point and I'm going to mark it like this, and I'm going to trace it out at the other side. After tracing, I'm just going to cut it out all round while following that line for the back. So this is the back that I am cutting out now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. So after cutting this upper part, I'm just going to cut out the bottom, the down part also. Just trim out the excess for the back as well. And that is all for this tutorial. That is just everything. So I have the front here. I was contemplating of trimming the side because of the flare, but I eventually did not trim it out because I want it to be very full at that part. So this is my back and that is the front. So I'm just going to stitch the sides, going to fold in the sides, and also I'm going to fold in 1 inch at the back for my rubber for the elastic. After folding in that 1 inch, I'm going to pass my rubber in it. And for this top, I'm going to fold in the 1 inch and I'm going to pass my rope into it. And that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. So this is the final look. This is the dress. I hope you like it and I hope it is helpful, and I'm looking forward to you making your own and sharing them in the comments. Let us know your outcome. Let us know if you got it, and if there's any area you want to improve on, kindly drop all your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time, thank you.